Okay, here's Victory's new wood boiler building. Same place as the old one, but much larger. So, backs the truck in that door. Here we have two Garn 2000s. They're pretty sweet. Not being fired right now, but fires them twice a day right now. See, the temperature of the tank is 167, so he won't fire them until he needs to later today. So this is what it looks like after it's all done. Here we have the electric element heating package, which is only connected to our generator as a load bank. So when we run the generator, we can load it up with electric elements to keep from underloading the generator. So this is all finished, ready to go. The fuel tank's back in that corner, and we're insulated, and we have our temp sensors back here monitoring. The air intake dampers are inside of the boiler construction. So we have the intake and the exhaust. And around on this side, the hallway to the building where our hot water flows to. We have Brenfo's Magna 3 smart pumps and a heat exchanger so that the water in the boilers, which are unpressurized, does not mix with the pressurized building water.